Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your device. Install Lively Wallpaper and immediately grant both wallpaper and lock screen permissions so the app can change system backgrounds. Once done, open Lively, browse categories, and choose the animation you want, tap Set or Apply. Make sure to select the option that targets lock screen or both screens. If the app shows a toggle, turn on lock screen. This gets you past the common permission blocker and moves straight into configuring visuals. Next, focus on the detailed settings so the animation looks right and behaves well. In Lively, pick resolution and frame rate, lower them if battery is a concern, then enable any saver mode that pauses on low battery. Once configured, use the app's lock screen preview to check scale, position, and looping behavior, and make micro adjustments so the subject isn't cropped. If motion seems heavy, reduce FPS or enable subtle effects. This balances visual quality with performance and finish by applying and verifying. Hit Apply, then lock the device to confirm the animated wallpaper shows on the lock screen. If it doesn't appear, reboot once and recheck app permissions. Sometimes the OS requires a restart to accept new lock screen sources. Make sure the system lock screen setting isn't locked to a static image only. Troubleshooting tip: if animation still fails, reapply the wallpaper from Lively or use the app's reset settings. This usually clears permission handshakes and restores proper function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.